What is Google Ads campaign? Google Ads campaign is an online advertising system where your ads to appear on Google's. When people are search product or service your business related, Google Ads reach in front of your service on those peoples. Why Google Ads campaign is important? Do you want to more customer first and want your business to appear exactly the people searching your business? Then the Google Ads is powerful tools for your business. Now I am discuss some importance of Google Ads campaign. Reach the right audience at the right time. Google Ads allow you to target people who are actively searching for your business. Get fast result. Google Ads generating traffic calls or quality leads within hours. Full budget control. With Google Ads, you decide how many spend you per day, which keywords target, where location to show your ad. You are always control to your budget. Measurable and trackable result. Google Ads provide you to a clear data such as how many people show your ads, how many click, and how many calls or leads you received. A well-optimized Google Ads campaign helps to you nearby customer exactly when they need your service and can grow your business growth and can bring quality traffic, leads and calls to growth your business. Do you need to any help for your local business like dentist, plumber, electrician and cleaning service and any others? Please WhatsApp me or drop a comment. Thanks for watching.